The story we're going to talk about today is called 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. Okay, let's read together. 1, 2, Buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 11, 12, dig and delve. 13, 14, maids a-courting. 15, 16, mates in the kitchen. 17, 18, mates are waiting. 19, 20, my plate is empty. 21, 22, shoe, fox, shoe. 23, 24, home once more. Home once more. 25, 26, let's get this fixed. 27, 28, fasten the gate. 29, 30, you're safe now, Gertie. You're safe now, Gertie. All right, this is the story today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, 今天